If you are craving something sweet, crispy and full of flavor, this Malpua recipe is just what you need. Made with simple ingredients like flour, coconut, sugar and milk. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Taste of Cooking and Baking. So let's make the recipe. In a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half cup grated coconut, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder and half cup powdered sugar. These ingredients give the Malpua its soft texture and sweet and aromatic flavor. Mix everything well so that all the dry ingredients are evenly combined. Now pour 1½ cup of milk gradually into the mixture. Mix continuously to make a smooth, clump-free batter. The batter should be of medium consistency, not too thick or too thin. Let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes so the flour absorbs the milk nicely and becomes fluffy. Heat oil in a pan on medium flame. Take a small ladle of batter and pour it gently into the pan. The batter will spread into a small circle on its own. Fry the Malpua on medium flame until the edges start turning golden. Then flip carefully and fry the other side as well. Make sure both sides become evenly golden brown and crispy while remaining soft in the center. Friends, from which country you are watching my recipe, you can tell me in the comment section below. The secret of fluffy and soft Malpua is perfect batter, smooth and lump-free. Coconut and cardamom add that amazing aroma which makes every bite extra special. Once done, remove the Malpua and place it on tissue paper to absorb excess oil. Soft, golden and full of flavor, this Malpua melts in your mouth with every bite. The sweetness of coconut and the aroma of cardamom make it truly delicious. Whether it's a festive day or a cozy evening, this traditional dessert will fill your home with happiness. Friends, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.